So gamer, in this video we're gonna check out my first ever console. So this is a Nintendo 2DS. This is the Mario Kart 7 bundle. So in this video we're gonna unbox it and check it out. So let's just check out the package, guys. I actually bought this like 2 or 3 years ago, and after the Nintendo Switch came out, I just switched to the Nintendo Switch. Oh, I switched to the because that's actually right. So as you can see right here, this is the Nintendo Switch. So after it came, I like just switched to it. So I bought this about last year. So I actually play it now. I use this every single day. But like, so I didn't touch this for about a 1 year. So in this video, I'm gonna unbox it. So this is the front of the box. So actually, this includes a Mario Kart 7. Because if you don't know, this is a really popular game on the Nintendo DS, Nintendo 3DS. But Nintendo DS of the Mario Kart, this is the Mario Kart 7. But thing is, on the Nintendo Switch now there's a Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, and that is like a whole better. So as you can see right here, guys, it's actually pre-installed, so there's no code or anything. It's already installed it to the console. And the top is saying, because actually there's a 2 color of this. So this is the electron blue, and also there's electronic red. So that's the Nintendo 2DS. So this have Wi-Fi. In the left is the the right is saying the Nintendo 2DS, and in the back is saying the best of 12. Guys, if you don't know, Nintendo 2DS, the 3DS, they can all play all the Nintendo DS games. So if you have the Nintendo DS cartridge, it can play all the stick over 2000 game on this thing. So in the box is here, what does it come with? So guys, if you don't know, this the Nintendo 2DS, the 3DS have the Nintendo eShop, Nintendo 3DS camera, Me Maker, Street Pass, AR games, face readers, and the internet browser. And also this is the Miiverse. So let's just open it up. So this is the box, as you can see right here. So we're gonna put this in the back, and this is in the front of this thing. You're gonna see some manual, because nobody read this, because I don't know why this is this huge, guys. If you don't know, the Nintendo original Nintendo it is a huge tool. It doesn't get this thick. I don't know why, but it is like it is very big. Guys, also nobody read these. And the next is the charger. So this is the charger. As if you don't know, this is a proprietary charger like this. You can see right here. And guys, I'm really happy that Nintendo switched to the normal. So if you don't know, the Nintendo Switch up there is the normal Type C cable as most of the smartphone and also the laptop. So I think this is a big plus. But on the back there, it is this. Okay, so if you don't know, this is the same charger the Nintendo DSi from like 2008, 9, yeah, something like that. And in the next is the console. As you can see right here, I still have, but this is perfectly fine because I have no case, but things is absolutely fine. So as you can see, there's a joystick, the D-pad, A, B, Y, X is the select and the power. As you can see, they still have the charge, and in the bottom it's a headphone jack. Yeah, something that the console have. As you can see, there's a home button. This is the slip switch. So if you turn this thing on, as you can see, it's gonna turn slip. Then you can turn it back on, and in the right hand corner is the SD card. Because if you don't know, this comes with a 4 gig SD card, but things I swapped it to 16 gig. Because if you don't know, Nintendo 3DS DS game it's not that big, but things is still the 4 gigs is nothing. So if you need to install a Mario Kart 7 like that kind of game, I think you should definitely get a bigger SD cards. Because I recommend 16 gigs is enough. For Nintendo 2DS in 2021, I think 16 gigs is enough. Next is a stylus. Guess it's gonna match your color. So if your switch is red, the switch, the DS switch. If your 2DS is red, it's gonna be with a red stylus. If it's blue, it's gonna. And in the back, this is the 2 camera. The camera is horrible, obviously. And in the top is the, I don't know what this called, shoulder, and the charger, and the game slot. So I can just turn it on and see how does it work. Guys, also if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like. Because actually I don't have a bunch of game and app right here, because I actually switched to it, and then the new also the Switch. So that's why I deleted all the stuff from here, and also I do have the 2DS XL. So because in my probably in my future video, I'm gonna probably make an unboxing of that. I guess it's right here. So guys, I actually bought this in 2018ish. not sure, but I switched to this, so all my games is over here. All the Mario Kart 7 and stuff is here. I guess if you want to see that unboxing, then also don't forget to like. As you can see right here, this is the camera. So if you just press on A, it's gonna board the camera, and it still say in need to the areas. As you can see right here, just click on next. As you can see, the whole ones really. As you can see right here, this is the camera. You can use this to take a picture. So if I just take a picture of this, as you can see right here, the picture is right here. So just click on next. As you can see, that's the picture. As you can see, the quality is horrible, but this isn't a console. I guess if you don't know, there's a camera because of the AR games. So there's some kind of AR games that is okay, decent, but that I don't like it. But because of the AR games, it's right here. Also, there's a front-facing camera. Yes, this is more bad than. So you can use this to just flip. As you can see right here, just flip it. You're gonna see the device. You're gonna see me. So we're gonna just flip it over. As you can see right here, I think it's pretty good. For the price, guys, if you don't know, you can find this now in 2021. You can find this about $40-50. Guess I actually got this on like 2017 for $80, and that come with this game. But because now you can find this for much more cheaper. Also, you can go to the game store and get a used one for cheap as well. As you can see right here, there's the air games, and this is the Face Raiders and all the stuff. So guys, so that is really it for this unboxing, guys. If you enjoyed, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And see you guys next one. Then peace out.